Okay, this is my Padlet, and here's my name. I'm in section 2. There's a little picture. And then I said for our biography assignment that it was just like a good way to introduce ourselves to the class and for Miss Debbie like learn more about us. And in it we like shared our like past experiences about our technology. So like it kind of set a bias for the class, not a bias, a basis. And then for our name tents, like that was just so Miss Debbie could like learn our faces and our names. And I said that I thought it was a good idea that we put our pictures on them so like we could pass out the tags to the class even if we didn't know anyone. And then for the inspiration activity, I think I picked France, and I said that that's just a good way to give information, especially like if you're going from one topic to like smaller subtopics. It's like very easy to like outline. And then Simbalu and Digo, I guess that's how you say that. I said that those are actually really helpful, and I did start using something like that after this because I always go to the same websites. They're like cute little sites, so I thought that was helpful. And the travel brochure document, I honestly was not the biggest fan of that. I like hate like making pictures and stuff like fit, but I thought that Publisher was a good way to do it because I'd only ever done it on Word like with a template, so that was good. And then Canva, I thought Canva was very pretty, I guess is the right word, but it was hard to like rearrange things like you wanted them to. Like almost every slide like kind of looked very similar to this, and I didn't know like how to change that. And then for my Google slideshow, I did this Nearpod thing, little educational tool. And then for Keynote, I thought was very similar to like PowerPoint, and I liked it because I just think PowerPoint's very easy, and Keynote was probably easier than PowerPoint actually if I got used to it. And Blogger, I really liked Blogger, and I thought it was just like a good little way to like if you ever wanted to like share information with someone, like you could just like set it up like that way and like put little links where you needed to. It was very good and organized. And for the movie, I thought the movie was very fun. I liked the little voiceover thing. I guess it is kind of like this. And for the Google site, I did not realize that that was going to be so easy. And I thought it was like very organized and how like each like page had a different subtopic throughout the class, and that was a really good way to like tie up everything we kind of did throughout the semester. And what's next? Padlet. I like Padlet. I think this is really cute, and I also think it'd be a good way to like study. I think it kind of reminds me of like um, flashcards a little bit, and you could like change the colors like so. So I like that's just a good way for me to memorize things, and you can put pictures like I don't know. I thought it'd be helpful and like links to back up your research. And then Screencast-O-Matic. I actually wrote this before I did it, but I like it. It's good. I'm kind of awkward, but it's fine. And then my final thoughts. I thought Miss Debbie was so nice and sweet. I've never FaceTimed with a teacher before. That was really, really helpful. And I know where your classroom is, so I'll come see you in the fall, hopefully.